Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fantastic world of free AI tools that are absolutely rocking it in 2023. We've handpicked our top 4 favorite free AI tools that anyone can use, even if you're a total beginner. So let's jump right in. 1. Solgen, Dream Soulmate Art, made easy. First up, we have Solgen, this super cool AI art generator that lets you create your dream soulmate using nothing but your imagination. Just throw in a few words to describe your perfect match, and Solgen will whip up a gorgeous piece of art in no time. Who knew finding your soulmate could be this much fun? 2. Notion AI, your personal copywriting buddy. Next on our list is Notion AI, an awesome copywriting sidekick that churns out top quality, unique content for you. Need help with writing, brainstorming, editing, or summarizing? Notion AI has your back. Just tell it what you want to write, be it a blog post, tweet, press release, or even a poem, and watch it work wonders. 3. Copy.ai, copywriting made effortless. Another incredible free AI tool we absolutely love is Copy.ai, your one-stop shop for all things copyright. Whether you need help with product descriptions, ad copy, emails, or website content, Copy.ai delivers engaging and fresh content to wow your audience. To get started, just sign up for an account and let Copy.ai assist you in creating killer social media posts, startup ideas, and so much more. 4. Lumen 5, videos in a snap. Last but not least, we've got Lumen 5, a free online video making platform packed with user-friendly tools that let you create eye-catching videos without breaking a sweat. Choose from loads of templates and formats perfect for all sorts of social media platforms. Lumen 5's AI can transform your imported transcript into a full-blown video sequence, complete with images. Plus, you'll have access to a massive library of images and video clips to make your final product truly stand out. And there you have it, folks. Those are our top 4 insanely cool free AI tools you need to try in 2023. Don't forget, we've put the links to all these amazing tools in the description below for your convenience. Give these tools a spin and let us know which ones you're loving in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.